Hello everyone. Today we start math journey with me. The question, actually this question is not the residue. Find, this is the integration, this over z circle this z is equal to 0. है ना? At 0, first option is pi iota by 6, second option is minus pi iota by 6, third option is minus pi iota by 12, and the fourth option is pi iota by 12. Now there is two methods to find the result. We use second method. First of all, find the coefficient of 1 upon z in expansion of 1 upon z square e to the power z minus e to the power z. Okay. So let us start. Therefore 1 upon z square e to the power z minus e to the power minus z, this step will be equals to 1 upon z square in the bracket 1 upon e to the power z, that is 1 plus z upon 1 factorial plus z square upon 2 factorial plus z cube upon 3 factorial and plus so on. Minus symbol, this is minus z. So this step is one plus z square seed one minus z upon 1 factorial plus z square upon 2 factorial minus z cube upon 3 factorial and so on. Then again plus z to the power 4 upon 4 factorial minus z to the power 5 upon 5 factorial and so on. Okay. We will open the bracket. All right. We open the bracket like as this is equal to 1 upon z square in the bracket. If we open the bracket, what will happen? देखिए 1 to 1 it will be the cancel out, z upon 1 factorial, this will be the plus z upon 1 factorial, that means 2z upon 1 factorial. Okay, this is plus symbol and this is also plus symbol, but of this minus, this will be minus, so this will be the cancel out. Also this will be z square upon 2 factorial will be cancelled out, z cube upon 3 factorial, that is 2z cube upon 3 factorial. In the same way, z4 step cancel out, this is twice z to the power 5 upon 5 factorial plus twice z to the power 7 upon 7 factorial and plus 1. This is again we common overall 1 by this is z, z should be common, so this will be z cube and 2 should be common, therefore 2, and here the rest is how much? This is 1 plus z square upon 3 factorial plus z to the power 4 upon 5 factorial plus z to the power 6 upon 7 factorial and plus so on. Alright, this will be equals to 1 upon 2 z cube. We take it as in this way, that means 1 plus z square upon 3 factorial plus z to the power 4 upon 5 factorial plus z to the power 6 upon 7 factorial plus so on. We take in denominator and whole to the power minus 1. This will be taken in the second bracket. That means 1 plus d to the power minus 1 in this term. This will be equals to, we know that this is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus so on, right? So using this formula we use, so this is equals to 1 upon 2z cube, and using this formula this will becomes 1 minus z cube z square, this is z square upon 3 factorial plus z to the power 4 upon 5 factorial plus z to the power 6 upon 7 factorial plus so on. Okay, then plus symbol and so on. Not need to expound much more. So we see here we multiply overall steps and see what is the coefficient of 1 upon z. So if we multiply them, then this will becomes 1 upon 2 z cube, open the bracket, minus the z square to z square cancel out, 1 upon z. That means we can write here 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 factorial into 1 upon z. And this step, that means z upon 2 into 5 factorial. This step plus, not plus, this will be the also minus, and this will be also minus, and so on. No need to go other step, because only we need coefficient of 1 by z. Our interest is to find the coefficient of 1 upon z. Here coefficient of 1 upon z is equal to minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 factorial. This becomes 3 factorial, that is 6, and multiplied by 2, that is minus 1 upon 12. Now this is the residue, right? This is the residue, and so we find the result, that is the what we want, 1 upon z square e to the power z minus e to the power minus z, suppose we write here dz. By residue theorem, this is 2 pi iota multiplied by residue at z is equals to 0 of f of z. This is f of z, and this is equal to 2 pi iota multiplied by minus 1 upon 12. This becomes minus pi iota by 6. If we see the options here, minus pi by 6 is the third option. This is not, minus pi by 6. Okay, so minus iota pi by 6, option 2 is correct. Thus option 2 is the correct option. So thank you.